A Christmas Gift for Santa, a bedtime book. Written by J. Theron Elkins and illustrated by A.J. Jatkowska. In the cold North Pole after Christmas night and a worldwide trip on a reindeer flight, sat tired Santa Claus in his brown leather chair in his old cottage house in his red underwear. Just back from his travels where he left handmade toys to be opened by all of the good girls and boys. Would he get a present? Santa quietly thought. Did no one remember? Was he simply forgot? Surely not, Santa said. There's a present for me. I will search round this room to find where it might be. By the fire was his hat, on the ledge was his suit. Near the crish was his pair of 2 old buckled boots. But no present was there. There was no stocking stuffed with candy or goodies or peppermint fluff. His helpers were huddled on the couch where they dozed in polka dot jammies and jingle-bellied toes. But no present was there. There was no paper bag stuffed with colored tissue and ribbon zigzags. His reindeer were snuggled at the base of the tree, snoring carols of Christmas as content as can be. But no present was there. There was no box and bow with bright shiny paper from the twinkle lights glow. Then at last, by the bed near the light was a note. In the note were the words that Mrs. Claus wrote. Merry Christmas, my dear. I am so proud of you. I love you so much and adore what you do. Reading this, he just smiled with a heart full of bliss. Then he raised mistletoe and he gave her a kiss. My love, here's your present, thoughtful Mrs. Claus said. It was made from my heart and was made for your head. Santa's face looked excited as he tore off the wrap and discovered his present was a knitted nightcap. Oh, thank you, said Santa. I was not forgot. This nightcap is jolly and a wonderful thought. After saying his thanks, Santa said a short prayer. Then he slid into bed and he reached for his bear. As his eyes slowly closed, once he turned off the light, Santa whispered at last, Merry Christmas, sleep tight. The end.